Hi, in this video, I want to quickly show you how to make a circular array in Blender. To do that, we'll take the object that we want to turn into an array. We'll move the cursor to the object by pressing Shift S and then cursor to selected. Now we need to offset the object from the cursor, so we'll just do GX to move on the x-axis. I'm just moving a random amount. This essentially will be the radius of the circle. Now we need to move the origin to the cursor. So we'll just right click on the object, set origin, origin to 3D cursor. Perfect. Now we can go to the modifier tab, click add modifier, select array just by doing a search, and then we'll change the count to 12. You can choose whatever count that you want. And then we'll uncheck relative offset and choose object offset. Now we need to add an object for this offset. So I'll do Shift A and I'll just choose an empty object here. Arrows, that's good enough. Let's go back to the original object and then select the new empty object as the reference. And to get the actual array going, we'll select the empty object, press N to open the sidebar. And under the Z rotation, we'll type in 360, which represents the number of degrees in a circle, and then divide it by the number of objects that we're going to have in the arrays. In this case, it's just 12. So press enter, and there you go. Now you have a perfect array. That's it. Thanks for watching.